Welcome to Edinburgh. We're here at the University of Edinburgh, right in the heart of Scotland. Edinburgh itself is a bustling, exciting city to stay and to live in. It's full of rich history and culture. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and was the first UNESCO City of Literature. The University of Edinburgh is one of the world's leading universities. For more than 400 years, our discoveries and innovations have changed the way that we think about the world. Our pre-university summer schools have been designed to give students a taste for what it's like to study at the University of Edinburgh. Our 2-week courses are for students aged 16 to 18 years old in their final or penultimate year of high school. We have a wide range of subjects to choose from data to design, and all our courses are taught by University of Edinburgh teaching staff on campuses like these. We're proud to be one of the world's most international universities. Over the past 10 years, we've had students from over 180 countries come and study here with us. We've been running pre-undergraduate courses here for the past 10 years, and so we're very experienced with working with students of this age group. On our pre-university summer school, we have a wide range of courses covering a vast array of subjects, including humanities, social sciences, design, and science. These courses offer an opportunity for students to explore a new subject area or to deepen their understanding of an existing one. All of our students experience the very best of teaching. We use hands-on, active pedagogy, meaning that students are an active part of their own learning. So on our science courses, students take part in practical work in our laboratories, they carry out investigations and engage with real-life research. On our design programs, they'll work in the art studio with professionals and learn to use the different tools that they will need to be able to develop their own portfolios. In some of our other courses, like humanities and social sciences, students will be encouraged to critically think and have discussions about various texts and images. There'll also be lots of opportunities for them to get out and about in this historic city. On our courses, students build knowledge, but more importantly, they build skills relevant for undergraduate study, such as collaboration, communication, academic writing, problem solving, and critical thinking. What's more, students will have the opportunity to go on tours of the university and meet with admissions specialists. On our social programme, students get the opportunity to meet each other outside of the classroom and get a little flavour of Scottish culture. We know how important your young people are and how daunting it can be having them travel all the way here to Edinburgh. And so we've got a robust set of safety measures in place to keep them safe while they're here with us. This includes live-in resident assistants and an assurance that all our staff are fully trained through our safeguarding processes. Our pre-university summer school programme really is a unique opportunity for students to get an insight as to what it's like to study here at the University of Edinburgh. Applications are now open. They do book up fast, so I do encourage you to get on our website, have a look, and ask any questions that you might have. We look forward to welcoming your students here this summer.